Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Are you also annoyed because of random spam calls? Well, I am also annoyed. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to block unknown callers from contacting you. Well, if you are using the latest iOS version, that is iOS 26, you have other additional options too. Well, worry not, in this video I'll be covering everything, so just make sure to not skip any part of this video and watch this video until then. The first step is to open your settings, and in here just scroll all the way to the bottom, navigate to apps. Once you're in the apps, just search for phone. Once you find this, just click on the phone, and once you're in the phone settings, just scroll all the way to the bottom. You have an option known as call filtering. Inside the call filtering, you have the option to filter unknown callers. That is, automatically when they call you, their calls would be sent to the unknown callers list. That is, you won't receive their calls. It is also applicable for the voicemails which they send you. Now in iOS 26, the latest feature which they introduce is going to be the screen unknown callers. Well, this is a completely new feature. What this does is, it has two options. One is to directly ask their reason for calling you. That is, when unknown numbers call you, they will automatically be sent to voicemail, and in the voicemail they would get a ring saying that, asking their purpose for calling you, and you can listen their reason later by going to the voicemail, and you can contact them back. And the next feature is going to be silence unknown callers. That is, when you receive calls from unsaved numbers, their calls would be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the reasons list. That is, you won't get a ring when they call you. So these are the two new options which have been introduced in iOS 26. So choose which you want. Either you can directly block them, or you can screen unknown callers. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, just make sure to click on the like button and the subscribe button and the bell button, YouTube subscribe button, if you want more such videos. Well, it's me Surya Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.